Do you ever wonder why shampoo, conditioner, soap, or body wash is not an endocrine disruptor? Or what are the safest body washes to use? In this video, I will share with you safe, effective, and affordable solutions. If you're looking for an essential emotions breakthrough coach that can help you improve your health, body, finances, business, and/or relationships, then click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Remember, emotions can be toxic. This Low Tox Living series has answers for you. Stick around until the end to hear how to get my Essential Oils Emotional Reference Guide. My name is Allie Van Zee. I'm a registered nurse, certified essential emotions coach, and body talk practitioner. I have been involved in the wellness industry, educating and working with thousands of people like you for 30 plus years. I help people to become emotionally, physically, and financially self-reliant. I'm so excited to share with you today. In this video, I'll be reviewing what shampoo, conditioner, soap, or body wash is not an endocrine disruptor, and what are the safest body washes to use. Plus, I won't leave you hanging. I'll let you know the smartest way to get them into your home. Let's start at the top, your head. By far, the best bar shampoo and conditioner are doTERRA's shampoo and conditioner bars. They leave my hair feeling super clean, soft, and with great volume. They trump any liquid shampoo and conditioner I have ever used. If you're looking for a natural shampoo bar and/or natural conditioner bar that are free of parabens, formaldehyde or formaldehyde donors, PEGs, dyes, triclosan, synthetic fragrances, phthalates, silicone, petroleum derived ingredients, or propylene glycol. It's important to understand polyethylene glycol, PEG, is not a definitive chemical in itself, but rather a mixture of compounds that have been bonded together in a polymer. Polyethylene is the most common form of plastic, and when combined with glycol, it becomes a thick and sticky liquid and is used to keep substances in the body longer. They're detrimental. In cosmetics, PEGs function in three ways: as emollients, which help soften and lubricate the skin; as emulsifiers, which help water-based and oil-based ingredients mix properly; and as vehicles that help deliver other ingredients deeper into the skin. In the long run, they are harmful. In doTERRA shampoo and conditioner bars, instead of harmful ingredients, you will find lots of certified pure tested grade essential oils and simple high quality ingredients from Mother Nature. Now let's talk about body soap. Have you ever stopped to think about what's actually in the bar soap we use? It's pretty surprising to learn that many of the soaps out there contain artificial and synthetic ingredients that aren't really good for our skin. But hey, no need to worry. I've come across something amazing called doTERRA Spa Bath Bars. These little wonders are made with only the best naturally sourced ingredients and top-notch CPTG essential oils. They're the kind of product you can totally trust and feel good about using every single day. Pretty cool, right? Choose your heart. Comment below on what you are looking for when it comes to embracing low tox living. Click the bell if you appreciated this content to make sure you get notified when the next video is uploaded. You made it to the end. Download my freebie that can be found via the link in the description field, along with a link to purchase at wholesale price. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and watch related videos.